Welcome to House Lux Estate, the go-to platform for all things finance and wealth creation. Today, we're diving into a topic that lies at the heart of financial independence, the best ways to increase your savings rate and build your wealth faster. The savings rate isn't just about stashing away a portion of your paycheck, it's about striking a balance between your present needs and future aspirations. It's a critical tool that can pave your path towards financial freedom, allowing you to build a safety net, invest in lucrative ventures, and ultimately grow your wealth. Increasing your savings rate is like adding fuel to your financial growth engine. The more you save, the more capital you have to invest, and the faster your wealth expands. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, boosting your savings rate can be a game changer. Stay tuned to learn about the best strategies to maximize your savings and accelerate wealth accumulation. First, let's understand what a savings rate is. Imagine that your income is a pie. Yes, a delicious, mouth-watering pie. Now, the slice of that pie that you manage to set aside without eating is your savings rate. More simply put, your savings rate is the percentage of your income that you save rather than spend. Calculating your savings rate isn't a Herculean task. It's as simple as dividing the amount you save by your total income and then multiplying by 100 to get it as a percentage. So, if you earn $1,000 a month and manage to save $200, your savings rate would be 20%. But why is this savings rate so important in building wealth, you ask? Well, the answer is quite simple. The higher your savings rate, the faster you can accumulate wealth. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. The more snow it collects, the larger it becomes. Similarly, the more you save, the more your wealth grows. Your savings rate is also a measure of your financial resilience. It's a safety net that can cushion you from financial shocks or unexpected expenses. It's like having a sturdy umbrella that protects you from the harsh rain of financial uncertainties. Moreover, a high savings rate can accelerate your journey towards financial independence. It's the fuel to your wealth-building vehicle. The more fuel you have, the farther and faster you can travel on the road to financial freedom. And the great thing is, there's no one-size-fits-all savings rate. It's a personal decision that depends on your income, expenses, financial goals, and comfort level. It's like choosing the right pair of shoes. What suits you might not suit someone else. So whether you're a high-income earner looking to maximize your wealth or a minimum wage worker striving for financial stability, understanding and improving your savings rate can be a game changer. It's the secret ingredient that can spice up your wealth-building recipe. Now that we understand what savings rate is, let's explore ways to increase it. There are several effective strategies to increase your savings rate. Now, let's dive right into how you can enrich your financial health with these methods. Firstly, let's talk about reducing expenses. It's essential to be aware of where your money is going. Look at your daily, monthly, and yearly spending and see where you can trim the fat. Perhaps it's that daily latte, or maybe it's the premium cable package you barely use. These might seem like small expenses, but over time, they can add up to a significant chunk of change. So consider whether you really need that extra cup of coffee or that high-end cable package. But it's not just about cutting back, it's also about being smart with your spending. This could mean switching to a cheaper grocery store, using public transportation instead of owning a car, or simply cooking at home more often. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be put towards your future. Secondly, increasing income is another effective way to boost your savings rate. Now, this might sound a bit daunting, especially if you're already working full-time. But there are plenty of ways to supplement your income without burning yourself out. For instance, consider turning a hobby into a side hustle. Love photography? Start selling your shots online. Passionate about writing? Try freelancing. There's also the option of investing in your education to qualify for a higher-paying job. The key here is to find something you enjoy and can fit into your schedule. Lastly, automating your savings can be a game changer. This method takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures that a portion of your income goes directly into your savings account. You can set up automatic transfers with your bank so that when your paycheck hits, a predetermined amount goes straight to your savings. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. It's like the old adage, out of sight, out of mind. In this case, it's out of spending into savings. Now, these methods aren't mutually exclusive. In fact, they're most effective when used in conjunction. By reducing your expenses, you free up more of your income to save. By increasing your income, you have more money to put away. And by automating your savings, you ensure that you're consistently growing your nest egg. Implementing these methods could significantly boost your savings rate, but to build wealth, we need to do more than just save. In the next scene, we'll discuss how you can take your savings and turn it into wealth faster than you might think. So stick around, because this journey to financial freedom is just getting started. Building wealth is not just about saving more, it's also about making your money work for you. Investment is a crucial part of wealth building. Think of it as a vehicle that can drive your savings towards more significant returns. It's the process of putting your money into assets that have the potential to generate income over time. These assets could be anything from stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, or even a startup business. Now let's delve into the magic of compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both your original money and on the interest you continually accumulate. It's like a snowball effect. Your wealth doesn't just grow, it grows at an increasing rate. For instance, if you invest $1,000 with an annual interest rate of 5%, in the first year, you'll earn $50 interest. In the second year, you'll earn interest on $1,050, not just your initial $1,000. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to exponential growth of your wealth. However, investment is not without its risks. This is where diversification comes into play. Diversification is essentially not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't perform well. It's a strategy to maximize returns by investing in different areas that would each react differently to the same event. But remember, it's not just about diversifying, but also about understanding your investments. So, educate yourself, stay informed, and make sure you're comfortable with where your money is going. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistent growth over a long period. And while it's important to be patient and give your investments time to grow, it's equally crucial to start as early as possible. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. By making smart investment choices, you can accelerate your wealth growth. The power to build wealth faster lies in your hands. Use it wisely. Increasing your savings rate and building wealth faster is within your reach. It's all about understanding your financial situation, setting the right goals, and making smart decisions. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We began by unpacking the concept of savings rate, that crucial percentage of your income that you set aside for the future. It's more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial health and a key indicator of your progress towards financial independence. From there, we delved into the various methods to increase your savings rate. We explored the importance of budgeting and cutting down on unnecessary expenses. We also highlighted the role of increasing your income, whether through a side hustle, investing in your skills, or negotiating a higher salary. But increasing your savings rate is just half the battle. To build your wealth faster, you need to put that money to work. We looked at a range of investment options, from real estate and stocks to bonds and mutual funds. The key is to diversify your investment portfolio and stay patient. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. However, let's not forget that financial wellness goes beyond numbers. It's also about achieving peace of mind, living a life free of financial stress, and being able to afford the things that truly matter to you. It's about building a future where you're in control. So, take charge of your financial future today. Start by assessing your current savings rate and identifying areas where you can improve. Set realistic and achievable financial goals. Make a budget and stick to it. Find ways to boost your income and make smart, informed investment decisions. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content on personal finance and wealth creation. Thank you for watching.